Welcome! In this week's tutorial, come along with us and learn how to make these necrotic-alike bases for your army. Start by selecting and arranging the bits you wish. For this, we'll go with our spaceship corridor basing bits. You can organize the layout of the bases by using the miniatures you desire. After choosing everything, let's glue the bits. We recommend using cyanoacrylate. Don't worry if they stick out of the bases. After they fully dry, we'll cut the outer extras of the bits. You can also add some extra bits on your bases, just like this. To remove the excess of the bits, use some clippers or X-Acto knife. To smoothen out the outer edge of the bits, you can use sandpaper. Now, let's add some earth texture to the ground area. Make sure to reach every spot around the edges of the bits, ensuring they blend realistically with the ground. We also recommend cleaning the border excess with a swoop motion. Do this for all the bases and let the texture dry completely. After fully dry, prime your bases with the black color. After the primer is dry, we'll move on to the painting step. First, we'll paint the ground using a dark green tone. Using a wet palette will help you with the paint's flow. For the main part of the bits, we'll paint them with the dark gray. Now, for other parts of the beads, such as boxes and bags, we'll use an orange color. Adding this color will give a nice contrast to your bases and make them stand out easily. You can choose to paint some beads and leave others with the previous color. It's up to you. Time to wash everything. For this, we'll mix a black paint with water, but you can use any other dark wash of choice. After fully mixed, cover the whole base with it. Make sure the wash has reached every crevice of the bases and everything is fully coated. Now let's wait until they are completely dry before moving to the next step. For the first dry brush, we'll use the same color we used to paint the ground and carefully apply it to the same area. Moving on to the bits, we'll start with the light gray. Using the cardboard will help you to dry up the paint on the brush. Now let's add a bit of an off-white tone to our previous paint. The idea is to only add this dry brush to the upper parts, simulating the brightest points of light. Take your time doing this step. Having almost no paint on the brush will help you to slowly build up your highlights. Now, for the orange bits, we'll go with a lighter orange tone. Start adding it slowly only on the parts you painted with the orange paint. Make sure all the edges are fully highlighted before moving to the next color. Add an even lighter tone to the first Drybrush color. Drybrush slightly less of the surface, focusing more on the higher points of light. Once all the Drybrush steps are concluded, your bases will look something like this. For this theme, we'll also add some special glow effects. It's as easy as a Drybrush. You'll just have to be a little more careful and choose some designated spots where you want the glow to be. For example, the vents and floor panels are nice spots to simulate light coming from underneath. Start with a deep green for the base color of the glow. And once you're happy, move to a lighter and brighter green and Drybrush on the same spots, focusing more on the middle. This will give the illusion of real glow, stronger in the middle and more faded as it moves further from the light. Drybrushing lightly some objects that are around the glow area can also make it more realistic, as it will give the feel they are being hit by light. To finish it off this chapter, we'll add some pigments to make the scene pop. For this scheme, we'll go with the rust tones such as dark reds and orange, to simulate rust in some part of the bits. These tones together with the previous greens from the glow are the perfect contrast of colors to make your bases stand out. Obviously, we couldn't forget to paint all the borders black. An easy step like this will definitely bring life to all the work we had previously on the bases. Once you're happy with everything, you'll have something like this. Let's start by adding some alien grass tufts. Alien Toxic is the perfect choice for these bases. Its bright green color goes really well with this painting scheme, adding to the glow effect and contrasting with the rusty spots. For a more solid and strong fix, you can use some PVA glue. Look to each base and think of which areas you would like to place them. You can also use your miniatures to help you in this. Try to define some areas to create cluster, especially near the glow, since it will give the impression they are also glowing. Using tweezers to pick the tufts can also be helpful. Add as many as you want until you're happy with the result. And they're done! Hope you enjoyed it and liked the final results of your necrotic bases. Thank you for watching and see you at our next video.